Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about can Samsung Galaxy A55 5G run Honkai Star Rail smoothly on high graphics. Let's check it out. I have already installed this game from Play Store, so I will simply open it. Let's go in the settings. Graphics settings. Let's do the graphics quality to the very high. Confirm. Now let's play the game.
The central area of the space station is up ahead. There will be lots of Legion Void Rangers there. Okay. That breathing sensation. Remember it. This combat needs optimizing. At this speed, too slow. Someone or something. Looks like we're the ones getting ambushed. But they're the ones getting besieged.
I have played this game on high settings and I have faced some slight lag during the fight, but during the gameplay it is running smooth. I hope this video gives you some insight into the game performance. If it does, please like this video and subscribe the channel.